So there are actually 17 screws, all of identical size. There is one extra one that holds the connector that I was alluding to earlier, the intake air temperature sensor connector. And so there is actually a small connecting wire that goes from this connector down to the intake air temperature sensor. And I think that the idea is that this is used for monitoring diagnosing the temperature sensor problems if there are any, and you're supposed to do that at this connector. So at least that's how I interpret the text in the Bentley manual. It certainly seems to confirm that this is indeed the intake air temperature sensor connector. And this one doesn't need to be tightened quite so much. Well, maybe a little bit. Oh, wait a second here. I think I've got it oriented wrong. There's one orientation in which it will just butt up against the other intake manifold screws, so then you won't be able to tighten it all the way. That looks actually correct. It's kind of like a puzzle. You figure out where everything goes by just looking at it for a long time and putting stuff back together and moving things around. Okay, I'm going to torque them now.